Now, we're going to use AI to edit this picture, only AI. And the tool we are going to use is this tool here called the Retouch4Me. That is the Retouch4Me panel. Now, this is what you get if you pay for Retouch4Me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then share this to who needs to see it. We are going to use it and do what we want to do. Now, first and foremost, I will duplicate this. Once I duplicate it, now I'll open this panel straight, and then what are the things I intend to do? I want to heal, which means I want to remove the spots. I want to dodge and burn. That's what I want. I want it to do a kind of mattify. You see all these things here, this dodge, this hot spot here. I want it to balance it out a little. I want it to do what? Whiten the teeth. Then I want it to actually make the skin soft. See this? Then improve the skin tone, balance it out. If it has eye bags, I'll click it too. It doesn't have fabric, right? I'll now click retouch. Let's see what's going to happen. Now it's going to take it online and then go through the process collectively. And it will process and then create layers for you. So let's see what it's going to do and how the result will look like. Now, as you can see, this is what it has done. Let's go in a little. So let's see what it has done before and after, before and after. So to an extent, it did too much. What is now the thing we are meant to do? You open it and then look at what you've done collectively. And then I'll start reducing opacity. Now, this is the first one, which is removing of these blemishes, which I am comfortable with what it is, what it has done. I'll come here and look at eye brilliance. It actually improved the eye and then touched it up to an extent. I will drop the opacity to maybe 60%. Let's look at whitening teeth, see what it has done to the teeth. Just a little, which is okay. 30%. You can even take it up if you're not comfortable with how it happened. You can take it up. So let's just give it around, let's say 50%. Then I will take this one here. It removed this area of hot spots. So I think it did it too much. I will take this down further to just 20 because that highlight is important to me. Okay, let's skip that. Let's say 20. 20 is good. Let's go up now. Dodge and burn. Before and after, before and after. So the dodge and burn actually looks at those areas that have forms of imperfections and also balances it out. So this is the before and this is the after. So let me take this down just small, maybe 90 is fine. Skin tone, it actually looks at making the skin tone even. Now, if you notice, it also affected the lips. It affected the lips, which I don't want. I'll add a mask and I'll take my brush and then do what? Remove it from the lips, remove it from the lips, remove it from the eyeshadow, because the eyeshadow is meant to look different. Remove it from those areas I believe that effect is not meant to stay on. So move around, the eye, that effect is not supposed to touch these places, these areas like this. So as you can see, that is what it has done. So the skin tone, the intention is to make sure that the skin actually matches. See, let it have the same tone, the same complexion. We can even reduce the opacity, maybe let's say 70. Let's look at this portrait volume. This is what it does. It touches those places it needs to balance in and all those tiny things around it. So I'll drop the opacity a little bit to maybe 40. Now let's see before and after, before and after. Now, it's your job to be able to control what the AI can do. You can also do some kind of finishing touches to ensure that what you've done comes out well. Now, from what I have here on this image, the face is a little bit brighter than the neck. What will I do next? I'll go to my camera raw. Go to my camera raw in my Lightroom. Come here. Come select subjects. I'll come down here to people. I want to select the skin only. This is under her face. I'll select under her face. I'll click on people. Once I click on people, I'll come to body skin and I'll click create mask. And the next thing I will do is to improve the exposure like this. Then maybe take down the contrast just a little, maybe -5. And I'll click OK. That's what I have. This is before, this is after, before and after. So this is what we have now. So far, so good. Now, AI is intelligent. AI has good parts it can do. It also has limits. So it's also in your place to know how to monitor it and make it interesting to the eye. So as you can see, we are perfect on this. This is perfect, but there are a few things I want to touch. So I'll put this in a group. I'll now come here and add saturation. Now I'm going to color grade it by myself. I'll come here, I'll add saturation to it, take it up. Let's say +5. I'll come here again. I'll add a percentage of color balance. I'll come to where I have my color balance. Come to shadows. Take this to this side. Take this to this side. Make this way. Move around until I get what I want. So sometimes you have to also color grade it manually. Make your choice based on what you want. So move around and get what you want. Highlight. Let's go again to the side and to the side. This is good. Let's do this like this. So I prefer this. Before and after. So I think I'm okay with this one. Now I want to make this background white. What will I do? Create a new layer again. And I'll come to my camera roll one more time. Once I come to my camera, what will I do? I'll come down to where I have background, select the background. Once I click background is selected. As you can see, a percentage of that hair, this scarf is picked. So I'll come here, click subtract, and I'll pick my brush. This is not working here. I'm going to do it manually when I get back to my Photoshop layer. So I'll take this, just come down to where I have saturation. That's what I'll do, desaturate the background. So just desaturate the background. That will do, and then add exposure to it, just a little. Add white to it as well, and click OK. So we have this before and we have after. So I'm going to put marks here, pick my brush again, and remove it from the area I don't want it, which is up here like this. So far so good. This is how we were able to move this. This is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. We literally did every form of skin work, cleaning of eye, everything, only with AI. And it is this AI here, which is Retouch4Me. So if you're going to get this, you can test it out. When you download it, it's going to give you this option, 17 free edits, 20 free edits, sorry. This is, I've used it like 3 times. Now, before you do anyone, don't just select them each one by one. It will be counting the credits one for you. So if you want to do anything, you select 1, 2, 3, 4, what those activities you wanted to do, you mark all of them all together and click retouch. It will process it for you. Then when it's not processing, you can now control your opacity, remove what you want, remove what you don't want, and then even delete a layer you feel like it has done it too much. But this one now is cloud based. It is not in your device. You must have internet connected to your system before it works. So always have it at the back of your mind. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then share this to who needs to see it.